Where to find diamond ores in Minecraft 1.18. In this update, there have been changes to where the diamond ores can be found and how they generate. This video is going to explain finding diamond ore, how it generates, and the different batches. The big difference in the 1.18 update is to world generation. What this means is that caves have been changed, the floor of the world is at -64 instead of 0, but with diamond ore this means they generate differently. First is that diamonds have two batches. What a batch is the range, the amount of ores in a blob, if they can be exposed to air, and the height they are most likely to generate. It is possible for one batch to generate diamonds in one way and another to generate it differently in another way, as is the case with diamonds. Both batches generate between 14 to -63 or bedrock. This gives you a 77 block vertical range. To give you an idea, in 1.17 update and before, there was only 62 blocks tall underground, so this is a large range. However, diamonds are more likely to generate closer to bedrock. As before, closer to bedrock can generate lava, so you'll probably want to stay above -55. The first batch has a range of 14 to -63 and is more likely closer to bedrock and can generate 6 times per chunk in blobs of 0 to 5 diamond ores. A chunk is a 16 by 16 area from the floor to the sky. These chunks are how the world is divided. Also, if a blob in the first batch is exposed to air, there's a 50% chance it won't generate. The first batch is similar to how diamonds already generate. It generates 6 times the amount of blobs than before, but the range is also 6 times bigger. The difference is that the blobs of diamond ore are half the size of 1.17 and before. Also, they are more likely to generate towards bedrock and less likely to generate exposed to air. The second batch is between -63 to 14 in one of 9 chunks and can generate blobs of 0 to 23 diamond ores, be more likely closer to bedrock. Also, if it is exposed to air, there is a 70% chance it won't generate. This specific blob of diamond ore is the difference in this update with diamonds. Just to give you an idea of how many diamonds you could get, if the blob has 23 diamond ores and you have a Fortune 3 pickaxe, on average that could be 46 diamonds. That is enough to craft a full set of diamond armor, weapons, and tools. The diamond blob will be difficult to find, as it is only one blob and the area it can generate in is large. Also, if you're going through the caves, you may not find one, as 7 out of 10 times it won't generate exposed to air. Mining strategies for getting diamonds. The first thing I should mention is if you are mining for diamonds, to have a fortune pickaxe. Fortune is an enchantment that you can put on a pickaxe. Each level increases the chance of getting a diamond by 1. The maximum level is 3, so you could get a maximum of 4 diamonds from a diamond ore. The average you will get from a Fortune 3 pickaxe is 2.2 diamonds from 1 diamond ore. If you don't have a fortune pickaxe, another option is the Silk Touch pickaxe. The Silk Touch enchantment will drop the block instead of breaking it. Using Silk Touch will allow you to pick up a diamond ore block until you can use the fortune enchantment on it. The Silk Touch enchantment is incompatible with the fortune enchantment, so you can only have one of these enchantments on your pickaxe. The first strategy for diamonds is exploring the caves. This would be going through the caves looking for diamond ores in the floors, ceilings, or walls. You would have to be below level 14 for this to work. Deep slate in this update will generate instead of stone from 0 and below. You can use deep slate as an indication you are at or below 0. The caves in this update have also been changed. The best of these caves to explore would be the Cheese Cave. The Cheese Cave is a large cave that will have stone pillars in the middle of it. This cave is big enough that you can fly with Elytra in it. As it cuts through stone, there may be a larger area to look for diamonds. The downsides of caving are that diamonds are less likely to be exposed to air. Also, blobs you are likely to find are the smaller ones, so you may only discover diamond ore blobs between 0 to 5 ores. I still think caving is a good option, especially as you will find other ores and you can find other features underground that will intersect with the caves, like cave biomes, mine shafts, amethyst geodes, or possibly even strongholds. The second strategy is branch mining. In this update, the ores do not overlap like they did before this update. This makes branch mining less advantageous than before. For diamonds, this would mean mining as close to bedrock. The lava lakes still generate above bedrock, so you would want to mine above -55. Also, if the aquifers generate below 0, they will generate as lava, so there would be some lava lakes you may hit when mining. This means you can't completely avoid lava by mining above -55. Branch mining would be mining 2 blocks tall in a straight line and then doing the same 2 blocks over. When mining for diamonds, this means you could possibly hit redstone ore, iron ore, lapis lazuli ore, and gold ore. You wouldn't be able to get copper ore, emerald ore, or coal ore. The advantage of this is that there might be an increased chance of getting diamonds because you'll be hitting blobs that won't be exposed to air. This also means you could hit the larger diamond ore batches and also the smaller ones. I still think caving would be a better option, as you wouldn't have to mine tunnels and you can explore the caves. Although branch mining would be good if you're just specifically looking for diamond ores and really need them.